Trim's working, trim's down.
Trust me on this. Morgan & Morgan. Injured? Dial
Radio's working. Steering. Water is on. Okay. So it came in for a new lower unit. The steering wasn't working, new steering lines. Radio wasn't working, the lights weren't working, and a new lower unit, and the prop's not on it because there was an issue with the prop the customer bought. It didn't fit. All right.